So I haven't checked what's underneath the trunk. So there's this thing, the rope holding it on it. I'm assuming the lock's broken. Let's test it out. Jesus. The whole trunk is actually in really good condition, which is pretty surprising. And obviously there's a little rust here and there. There's a lot of pitting and holes, but it's all fixable. yeah, I just vacuumed up the carpets. The carpets don't look that bad. However, the new carpets are not that expensive. I think I can get a whole new replacement for like around $300 to $400, so which is not that bad. And so this nut was already off. I took this one off, and these two were extremely rusted. So, and it was kind of hard to access too, because the seat rail was completely rusted too, so it didn't move out of the way. So I had to cut it off. It's all good. I'm gonna change the seats regardless, but you gotta wait for this. Boom. I kind of expected it. I kind of seen it too, but it's all good. Probably gonna change all four of the areas. I'm probably gonna just replace them. It's gonna be a good learning process since I've never welded before. It's my first time welding. It's all good. And yeah, I'm gonna move on to the other side and pretty much take the seat out. So pretty much my goal is to clean up all the area before I actually get into the car and start messing around with it. I'm gonna clean out pretty much everything because I don't really want to get exposed to some sort of virus or any bacteria that's sitting in the car, because the car has been chilling. I think it's been chilling there for over 10 years and no one even touched it or something like that. And it was missing both of the windows, so anything can just come in and anything can just build up. So I got the driver's seat out, and this one's kind of hard to take out because all the metal was rusted. So I would just pretty much take an angle grinder and pretty much cut everything off. And this, I think it made a hole in the bottom of the floor, so it's all good. So yeah, so next step, I'm gonna vacuum all this up, clean this up, and yeah, then after that I'll just clean this up. Alright, so as you can see right here, this is the reason I wanted to clean everything up before, because you never know what's living in the car. So it's the driver's side is filled with like all kind of bugs and worms and yeah, they're like everywhere. Yeah, if you were to grab a car in future and you're trying to work on it and it's really old, I'll definitely make sure to clean it up before, because you never know what kind of disease you're gonna catch. So yeah, clean it up. And this little snail here too. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it up, vacuum it up, and go from there. Alright guys, this is it for this video, and in the next video I'm probably going to start taking off most of the other trim pieces, and most likely this rear seat and just trims like that, and probably the headliner as well. So yeah, and I also moved this car in the backyard and built a little tent right here. So this car is going to stay here most likely for the whole build. So stay tuned for the next one, like and subscribe, and see you guys later. Peace.